employees, but what did they manage to do? They managed to distort the system. They managed to, they're now written down in books of history because of what they've done. And those were employees of the company. So for us to come here and really believe that employees can drive the company to be green and efficient can be false. So this is what we're saying, that we, this side of the house, is realistic about this issue. This side of the house failed to come here and show us conclusively that what they're proposing is really going to bring in the sustainability that we talk of here today. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
While you guys are doing that, I'd like to remind you guys that the proposition today is that without outside pressure, corporations will not take meaningful actions on sustainability. Amber will come and explain to you guys the protocol. Are you taking this? Before we announce the winner of this debate, we will do some. Courtesy of TGA, our sponsor, we have 2 golf shirts and a GPS.
Where is the shirt? The GPS shirt.
First t-shirt.
Last time you voted. Okay, we'll do this first. Where are the blue ones?
Orange one. First. So it's 391-6117. Woo! Is this for the Boston? Yeah.
391-6120.
Oh.
Now the GPS.
Yeah, they did this. Go slowly. 391-6123.
Oh. I was off by 7 numbers. Oh, what? Oh.
And yeah, we'll announce the winner in like 2 minutes. And now we will announce the winner.
Well, thank you. I first want to congratulate the IBA group. Excellent proposition. Very well, very well. I can't believe you have paying customers out here in the afternoon to do this. I know you're all really busy with projects and assignments, so to the audience, good on you. Okay, now to the 2 teams. Now I know all 3 judges are from SFU, and I know next year it will be different. So it'll even out over time. In the very long run, it'll all even out. So both teams, very lots. I can tell there's lots of preparation involved. Certainly very thoughtful. You both did a difficult job. Each side had a challenge, I think, in this proposition. And so that's why it was a good proposition. It's well balanced. I don't think there was any advantage for either side. So I won't keep you in suspense much longer. The judges gave this to SFU by a hair. It was very close. It was a very tough decision, I have to say. Comments there. You have some excellent speaking skills among you. It's very, very pleased to be a faculty member. I will take the heat for being a professor. And I'm sure your UBC faculty would be very equally proud of you. I want you to know I have actually So I will give you that. But no, both teams' job very, very well done. And I hope you're out to have a beers.
Oh, that was a shocker.